In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add print button into Outlook ribbon. If you find yourself printing emails often, having a dedicated print button on the ribbon can save clicks. The ribbon is the strip along the top with tabs like Home and Send Receive. We'll add a small custom group to it and place the print command inside. Start in Outlook with any view open. Move your mouse to the ribbon area and right-click anywhere in that bar. From the menu that opens, choose Customize the ribbon. This takes you to the Outlook Options window with customization controls. On the right side, you'll see a list of tabs and the groups under each tab. A group is the labeled block on a tab that holds related buttons. Decide which tab you want your print button to live on. Most people pick Home because it's visible most of the time. Select that tab, then click the New Group button. Outlook creates a new group at the bottom of the selected tab and marks it as custom. With the new group highlighted, click Rename. Give it a clear, short name so it's easy to spot later, such as Quick Actions or Print Tools. Names like these help you recognize at a glance what the group is for. This rename only affects your view, keeping things clear without changing anything for others. Click OK to confirm the name. Now we'll add the print command. On the left side of the same window, open the Choose Commands from drop-down and select either All Commands or Commands not in the ribbon. This makes it easier to find the built-in print command. The list is alphabetical, so scroll down toward P and look for Print. It may appear under Mail or simply as Print, but the label will read Print. Make sure your custom group is still selected on the right. With Print selected on the left, click the Add button between the lists. You'll see Print appear under your custom group, confirming it has been added. When everything looks right, click OK to close Outlook Options. Return to Outlook and go to the tab where you placed the group. You should now see your custom group with the print button inside. That's it, you've added the print button to the ribbon. Thanks for watching.